Stop muscle loss tonight. The bedtime secret. Do your legs feel shaky just standing up? Is getting out of bed harder than it used to be? That's not just aging. It's sarcopenia, a silent thief stealing muscle from 1 in 3 people over 60, especially while you sleep. But here's the good news. The right foods before bed can stop this, rebuild strength, and keep you moving with confidence. And the 9th food on this list, it might shock you because it can reverse muscle decline faster than you think. Stay with me. Let's fix this now. Nighttime powerhouse whey protein. Shake with collagen and leucine. This blend is your body's nocturnal craftsman, rebuilding strength as you rest. Whey protein, brimming with essential amino acids, particularly leucine, sparks muscle repair like a switch flipped on. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that 40 grams of whey before bed increased muscle protein synthesis by 32% in seniors. Add 3 grams of leucine, and the muscle-building signal doubles, amplifying repair overnight. Collagen peptides, meanwhile, fortify tendons, ligaments, and joints with research in osteoarthritis and cartilage, showing that 15 grams daily improve joint stability and muscle strength in just 12 weeks. Blend a scoop of grass-fed whey, a scoop of collagen, and a pinch of leucine with unsweetened almond milk, perhaps a dash of cinnamon for a cozy warmth. The shake is smooth, mildly sweet, and takes mere minutes to prepare, sipped 45 minutes before bed. It feels like a comforting ritual, leaving you calm and satisfied. The result? Studies show stronger muscles, steadier steps, and reduced joint pain, helping you move with confidence. But what if you're craving something richer, creamier? Creamy delight. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a velvety embrace, both indulgent and purposeful. Each cup delivers 20 grams of protein, blending fast-digesting whey and slow-release casein to fuel muscle repair throughout the night. A Frontiers in Nutrition study showed a 26% boost in muscle protein synthesis for seniors who ate it before bed. Calcium strengthens bones, while probiotics enhance nutrient absorption, ensuring every nutrient reaches your muscles. Stir in chia seeds for omega-3s and a handful of blueberries for anti-inflammatory polyphenols that soothe aging joints. The texture is thick, luscious, and satisfying, with a tart-sweet balance that feels like dessert. It's effortless to prep, just scoop and mix, and perfect 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Research confirms it rebuilds muscles, leaving you energized and less stiff in the morning, ready to tackle your day. Could another dairy option hold similar magic? Soothing comfort. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a gentle, creamy haven, perfect for winding down. Packed with casein and leucine, it provides a steady stream of amino acids to muscles for hours. A British Journal of Nutrition study found that seniors eating cottage cheese before bed, paired with light exercise, gained 27% more muscle strength and 20% more lean mass in 12 weeks. Mix half a cup with berries and chia seeds. Let it soften for 10 minutes and savor it 30 minutes before bed. Its mild, slightly tangy flavor is comforting and easy on the stomach, while the prep is a breeze. Choose low sodium to avoid morning puffiness, and you'll wake up feeling fuller, stronger, and more balanced. Studies show it supports muscle growth and reduces fatigue, making daily tasks easier. What if a tiny seed could rival this power? Nutty treasure, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're a nutritional titan. With 7 grams of protein per ounce, plus magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, They aid muscle recovery and promote deep, restorative sleep. A Journal of the American Geriatric Society study linked higher magnesium intake to 30% better leg strength in seniors. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons on yogurt or blend into a smoothie an hour before bed. Their earthy, nutty crunch is satisfying and adds a delightful texture, while the prep is as simple as scooping from a jar. Choose unsalted seeds to keep blood pressure in check, and you'll wake refreshed with limbs feeling stronger. Research confirms enhanced muscle function and better rest, helping you move with ease. Could another nut outshine this gem? Flavorful jewel, walnuts. Walnuts are a rich, toasty treasure, bursting with omega-3s, 10 grams of protein per 1 to 2 tablespoons, and polyphenols to combat inflammation. They support muscle repair and ease joint stiffness, making mornings feel smoother. Toss them into yogurt or savor them alone an hour before bed. Their warm, slightly bittersweet flavor feels indulgent, like a treat you didn't know was so good for you. Prep is effortless, just grab a handful. Studies show walnuts help retain muscle mass, with seniors maintaining stronger, more resilient bodies over time. The result is less morning creakiness and more energy for daily activities, from gardening to walking. What if a fish could bring even more to your plate? Savory elegance. Smoked salmon. Smoked salmon is a luxurious bite that works wonders. Just 50 to 70 grams delivers 20 grams of protein, omega-3s, and vitamin D, strengthening muscles and bones. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, while vitamin D enhances muscle function, helping you stay steady. Pair it with whole grain toast or a few greens an hour before bed, avoiding overly salty versions for a light, clean feel. Its smoky, delicate flavor is a savory delight, elevating your evening routine, and it's ready in moments. Research confirms it reduces inflammation and boosts muscle performance, making steps surer and balance better. You'll feel stronger with a spring in your step, per studies. Could a drink weave similar magic? Vibrant elixir. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is a bold, tangy potion that protects your muscles. Its anthocyanins cut inflammation and muscle soreness by 34%, per the Scandinavian Journal of the Medicine and Science in Sports, while melatonin promotes deep, healing sleep, crucial for muscle repair. Drink 8 ounces, no added sugar, 30 minutes before bed. Warm it slightly or blend it into a smoothie for a smoother, less tart sip. Its vibrant, refreshing taste feels like a treat, and it's as easy as pouring a glass. Studies show reduced pain, better recovery, and deeper sleep, leaving you refreshed and less sore. What if a spread could match this potency? Silky indulgence. Almond butter. Almond butter is a smooth, decadent ally for your muscles. 1 tablespoon offers 3 grams of protein, healthy fats, and arginine to boost blood flow, helping retain 15% more lean mass, per a Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Spread it on whole grain toast or stir into oatmeal an hour before bed, choosing natural, no-sugar versions. Its rich, nutty flavor is a joy to savor, like a warm hug for your taste buds, and prep takes seconds. Research shows it supports muscle retention and stabilizes blood sugar, keeping you strong and steady through the night. But wait, the final food is a timeless surprise that's simpler than you'd guess. Classic champion, eggs, soft-boiled or poached. Eggs, soft-boiled or poached, are a humble yet mighty force, packed with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine. They drive a 25% boost in overnight muscle building, per a nutrition research study. 1 or 2 eggs with a pinch of sea salt and steamed spinach, eaten an hour before bed, offer a delicate, comforting 26% boost in overnight muscle building, nutrition research. Their soft, warm texture is comforting and gentle on the stomach, and they're quick to prepare, just a few minutes in boiling water. Studies confirm they rebuild muscles, leaving you steadier and stronger with improved balance and energy for daily tasks. Why this matters: aging isn't about fading into the background. It's about shining with vitality. Every night is an opportunity to rebuild, to wake up with muscles that carry you confidently through your day. These foods, grounded in science, transform small bites into big victories. Imagine savoring creamy yogurt, crunchy walnuts, or a tangy sip of cherry juice, knowing they're working while you sleep. Studies show stronger legs, surer steps, and renewed energy in just weeks. Your body is ready to reclaim its strength. It just needs the right fuel. Start tonight with one of these: a whey shake, a scoop of cottage cheese, or a handful of pumpkin seeds. Make it a habit and feel the transformation unfold. Share this spark with someone you care about. They might need it too. Aging is about thriving, not just enduring. You've got this, and I'm cheering you on. Thank you for watching until the end. I truly appreciate every view, like, and comment from you. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends or loved ones. Your interaction is a big motivation for me to keep creating more valuable content. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to hear from you.